All right, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, a few things are different. One, there's snow on the ground. And two, Mallory's not here. I know, sad, but we shall prevail. All right, today we're talking about something that I didn't expect, but something that people have asked a lot more. Oh, a bald eagle, oh my gosh. Back to it, something that people have seemed to care more about than I expected. That being the way that we built our bed. First off, I'm a true advocate of giving credit where credit is due. Right here, check these guys out. Stoke Loaf, this is where we got our bed idea. Obviously, we built it a little bit different, but they were our inspiration. All right, so if you've been following this channel at all, you know that we already have a video on how we built our bed. This is video on how we built our bed 2.0. Nailed it. So what I'm gonna do this time is give you more on dimensions, a little bit more on how the bed actually works and what it looks like finished, and tell you a little bit of how we would change if we were to build it again. Alrighty, let's get going. Alright, if this is your first time to this channel or you haven't seen our Instagram, then what I'm gonna do first is throw this clip to show you exactly how the bed works. Check this out. Alright, hopefully that made sense, but that's not the point of this video. You can see that other places. The point of this video is to give you a little bit more of the underbelly. So I'm going to take the bedding off and we'll get to it. Alright, now that all the bedding's off, you can see there, obviously, is our mattress. And I will take this moment to say that we sleep better on this mattress than the one that we had at home. I didn't even honestly know these type of mattresses existed. It's a tri-fold mattress. Don't worry, the link's here, 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 and obviously the one that you can click is in the description. But it has been exactly what we needed for the design and overall comfort of our van. All right, if you're a little curious how it works, check out this video that's also on our Instagram. It shows you how a tri-fold mattress folds. All right, now that we have the sheets off, now that you understand how the mattress works, I'm gonna take the mattress off and I'm gonna show you the exact mechanics and we'll look into some measurements of the actual bed. All right, mattress is off and essentially this is what we're looking at now. Nothing too special here. A question I get a lot is whether or not I put rollers down here and here, which I did not. There are small little felt pads which you can see. However, no rollers were needed. It slides out like so. And then slide it right back in. These are actually old pieces of hardwood that I had. They already had a coat of clear coat on them, which actually helped in the sliding function. I also get a lot of questions about this back piece. People ask, how does the mattress stay on? Pretty simple. I just attached a back ledge so that when the bed is in couch mode, it just leans right up against that. Another thing I'll mention is right here, you can see these cross beams. I cut at an angle so that these did not get stuck. These are also at an angle underneath. Angle here and angle there, right over top. There's 3 cross beams in total. They're all 2x4s and all cut at an angle. Something I had to learn the hard way is cutting my bed slats too wide at first. I went with 4-inch bed slats to start, and then the gaps in between were way too wide and I could feel the mattress sinking in. These current bed slats I have are 2 inches. All right, now the part you're probably waiting for. Just give us some frickin' dimensions. I'm gonna do that right now. The last thing I'll show you is underneath the bed. Again, you can find a lot of pictures and other information like this on our Instagram right here, but I wanted to make sure to give you all the dimensions today. All right, welcome to the back of the van. This is what we call our garage. We'll go inside. As you can see, like I talked about, those are the angled structural beams. There are 3 of them, all angled. Then we simply have 4 2x4s at all corners. 1, 2, 3, and then in the back corner 4. There's a small cross beam in the front, and then this one in the back. The only boards that are weight bearing are the one in the front here, the support beams underneath, and this piece in the back. And then I added these angled boards to displace some of the weight. All right, that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Please, please, please comment if you have any more measurement questions or anything about the mechanics of the bed. I tried to go over it as detailed as I could. I can't highly recommend enough though, the mattress. It makes a sliding bed like this so simple. You don't have to wedge a futon in here or cut up a piece of foam. This mattress does the trick. And again, the link is in the description. All right, last thing, make sure you check out our Instagram. And honestly, we have a whole other video about this bed. It wasn't as detailed with the final product, but it gave you a little more insight during the build process. All right, go ahead and subscribe, like it, all that fun stuff. And we'll be back here soon with another video. See you guys.